AI is not just a trend, it's reshaping the art world in ways that could leave traditional artists behind. AI-generated art, where algorithms are not only creating masterpieces but are also redefining what art means in 2024. Get ready for a journey into the art revolution that's shaking up the creative world like never before. The AI art revolution. Beyond human creativity. Imagine stepping into an art gallery where every piece is crafted not by human hands, but by algorithms. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi novel, it's happening right now. AI-generated art is reshaping the art world, pushing creative boundaries in ways we never imagined. With the advent of powerful models like DALL-E 3 and Midjourney, AI is now creating artworks that are not only visually stunning, but also artistically profound. So, what's driving this seismic shift? At the heart of this transformation are advanced AI models, trained on vast datasets of existing art. These models analyze and learn from thousands of artworks, understanding intricate patterns, colors, and styles. This enables AI to generate pieces that are both original and remarkably human-like, blending various artistic styles and techniques to produce unique results. The controversy: is AI art truly art? The rise of AI-generated art has sparked a heated debate. Can machines truly be artists? Critics argue that AI lacks the emotional depth and personal experiences that human artists infuse into their work. They claim that art created by algorithms is devoid of genuine expression and soul. On the flip side, supporters believe that AI can push artistic boundaries like never before. By experimenting with new techniques and blending styles in unprecedented ways, AI opens up new creative possibilities. The real question is whether AI art should be evaluated using the same criteria as human-created art, or if we need to develop new standards to assess its value. The impact. How AI is transforming the creative industry. AI-generated art is more than just a passing trend. It's transforming the creative industry in profound ways. For artists, AI presents both opportunities and challenges. On one hand, AI tools can enhance creativity by providing new ways to experiment and visualize ideas. Imagine using AI to generate preliminary sketches, explore diverse color palettes, or create intricate patterns with minimal effort. However, this technological advancement also raises concerns about job displacement. The efficiency and cost-effectiveness of AI in producing high-quality art mean that traditional artists may face significant competition. The economic implications are substantial, with AI-generated artworks increasingly featured in galleries, sold at auctions, and used in commercial advertising campaigns. The future lies ahead for AI and art. Ahead, the relationship between AI and art is likely to become even more intertwined. We may see AI collaborating with human artists to create hybrid works that blend machine precision with human creativity. Picture an art exhibit where AI-generated and human-created pieces coexist, showcasing the potential for synergy between technology and traditional artistry. Moreover, advancements in AI are expected to bring even more sophisticated tools for artists. Future developments could include AI-driven design software with enhanced capabilities, allowing for even greater artistic innovation. However, this also means that artists will need to adapt to these new tools and find ways to stand out in an increasingly automated landscape. Facing the AI art revolution. The rise of AI-generated art marks a significant shift in the creative industry, highlighting the rapid advancements in technology and its impact on creativity. While it challenges traditional notions of artistry, it also opens up exciting new avenues for innovation. As we navigate this new era, artists, critics, and audiences must engage in thoughtful discussions about the role of AI in art and its future implications. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of AI-generated art. If you're fascinated by how technology is reshaping the creative industry, don't forget to like, subscribe to Next Gen Business AI, and share this video with your network. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you see AI art as a new frontier in creativity, or a challenge to traditional artistry? Share your views in the comments below, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of AI.